Hey, bot, how are you? Yeah, PayPal it kind of sucked. So, I mean, I told everybody that for me it's just kind of lot lotto, and it doesn't seems like it actually worked out. So we were really bullish yesterday, and this earning really fucked it up. And if you look at this, I'm in 220 call, uh, expiring November 19th, I think, and lost like 80% on that one today. And and I think 220 call if you got in today after it dropped, you'll be great. Should be fine. I should have averaged down today, but I was out, so couldn't do anything. Did you enter today in PayPal? If you did, then yeah, good. It will work out fine. But PayPal, so much resistance now. I don't know. I think earnings were good. I don't know why they like fell that much. It's really surprising. It almost seems like a market manipulation or something like that because PayPal is a good company and I don't heard anything wrong that much that it should go that much down. But anyways, just wanted to talk about it before we talk about other things. For now, I'm just holding PayPal. Didn't sell anything, sold anything, didn't close anything. I'm just gonna hold it till November 9th. I will see what happens. It almost seems like the market is also kind of pulling back a little bit, and if it does, then definitely my calls is gonna be worthless. Uh, Okay, yeah, should be fine. Keep an eye on this one on market though, because market almost seems like it's kind of pulling back a little bit now. But anyways, let's talk about few tickers that I'm interested in for tomorrow. I looked at Square. It looks really good actually, and I probably will have puts on Square. Square did came down today, and I think it's at a point there where there are multiple confirmations. I saw this head and shoulder forming in on Square, and also the cup and handle. We already knew that cup and handle was there, and it broke out of the that handle. Now the should go below the cup's position, and the Elliott waves also shows like this C as my price target, so around $200. That's what I'm projecting. Naveen, I don't know. PayPal, it's a very good company. I would suggest getting into stock if you can, or get into leaps. I already have a leap 300 leap expiring January 2023, and I might add to that one tomorrow. So leaps will be a better choice. I don't know. Technical analysis showed that PayPal should be up now, back up, but seems like there's some sort of weird thing going on with PayPal that it's not get going up. So I would suggest getting into leaps, or maybe get into calls like multiple months out. So let's talk about Square again. So I'm expecting it to go down to this price. So there's a support at this range, and there are few supports above also. So I'm thinking of getting into Square puts tomorrow, depending upon how the market is and what the price is tomorrow. But if it's a favorable trade, then I might get into here. Maybe 220 put and probably a few weeks out or something like that. So this is one trade I'm considering for tomorrow. Square. The other one, I looked at AMD and did some analysis today. on AMD. Hold on, let me. Yeah, so I didn't save it. Hmm, Where is my analysis? Yeah, so I think I kind of lost my um, chart, but anyways, what I was thinking is that it's kind of gone parabolic and it's coming down, and the trade that I'm thinking was that getting into puts from here to this area around 140 with a stop loss at this area 153. But I'm not sure about this one. AMD has been was is really bullish these days. It's gone parabolic. I'll see if I want to get into this trade, but I'm not sure at this point. Depending on how the market looks tomorrow, I might get into that one as well. Uh, let's talk about CHWY. CHWY, I'm really interested in getting into calls. I hope market is green tomorrow so that I can get into calls. So if you look at this, it's forming this steps. There's a first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one will be really high. And if you look a little bit closer, we also have this bar pattern forming. So my price target would be at this line. So if I draw it here, it's also forming this like ascending triangle as well. So there are multiple confirmations that the price will go up. And even today, when everything was like burning, QE went up 1.38%. So I'm thinking of getting into it here. Come on, where is it? And play it around till here with the stop loss around this area. But again, I will get into probably a month out spread, vertical debit spread or something, or maybe get into calls as well. So this is another trade I'm considering tomorrow. So Square, AMD, CHWY. Apple is doing fine. I'm still in the spread. I don't know if you guys are still in that one, but I'm holding that one, and it hold out pretty nice today. It didn't fell or anything. Snap. Uh, it's at a major support level, Snap. So I put a alert here, and if it goes, it crosses this alert that I might get into calls because we have a huge gap above to cover. So we can actually maybe add alert here or get into the trade around 61 and let this gap play. So this is another thing that I'm keeping in mind. Of I'm still on the spread. Okay, yeah, I'm also in Apple spread. So I'm in Apple, Amazon that Tiff mentioned, MA, uh, and then Starbucks. All these spreads I'm still in. Let's talk about MA. MA was okay. I think it didn't. It's fine. Yeah, we did went in the open. There's a huge red candle here, but we started going up. So I'm okay with that. I think I'm not too worried about MA. Should be fine. I'm in 250. What is that? 350, 355 spread. Yeah, I think we will be in the money, and we still have 10 days. Should be fine. Yeah, Naveen, Apple and Starbucks. I don't know if you. Yeah, Starbucks went down today. I'm also losing money on Starbucks, but I still believe in that trade. I think should be okay. Uh, we did went down, but I saw this like green candle with a lot of volume. So I think tomorrow, if we have a green day, then we will go back into the same range and possibly will be green. Uh, so I'm not worried about Starbucks, Apple, and MA. These three are okay. Uh, PayPal, I'm really worried about. I don't know what's going to happen with PayPal. Now let's talk about short squeeze, BGFV. I am so mad that I didn't got into this one. I talked about this, and I think I talked to Tiff about that in our channel when it was here, that we should get into this one. Didn't got into this one, saw this huge green candle. I thought, okay, it's done probably. I still didn't get into this. Then we had a short squeeze, and it came down here. And tomorrow it might squeeze again. Yes, I'm in hood too, but only stocks. I don't know what happened with my stocks. Uh, Come on. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is down today. It's fine. I only have 100 stocks in hood, but I'm holding. Uh, but let's talk about BGFV again. It's gonna short squeeze tomorrow or soon. So I'm considering it tomorrow at open. Yeah, but I know. Uh, so if you look at after, hold on, let me go back to hourly. So we are in after hours, we are already at all-time high in that range, and tomorrow it might squeeze even before open. Right now, the premiums are jacked already on BGFV, but I think we should get into December 17 call. Maybe I don't know if it squeezes, then maybe we can even get in $60 call or something, or $70 call and hold it. Uh, I am also considering getting into stock for this one because if it squeezes, then it can go really fast. I'm even considering like getting up around 5:30 or something and maybe get into some stocks, get 100 stocks or something and hold it because it's gonna squeeze and the returns can be good. So I think we should definitely consider it tomorrow to get into BGFV. Again, it's going to be a short squeeze. And if we get into this one, we'll get December 17 calls. So these are the plays that I'm considering for tomorrow. And I'm really sorry, I was not able to like go get on live last few days. I was going through some, I'm moving. So I was going through a lot of work that I have to do before that. So any questions or anything that you guys want to discuss about? Okay, so is there anything else? ENDP. I'm out of ENDP now. I don't know if anybody got into ENDP when I uh, called it out. No, I'm not moving to LA. I'm moving to Pennsylvania. I'm in New Jersey right now, so moving to Pennsylvania. Um, it's not too far, just 1 hour away. Um, ENDP, I'm out of ENDP. I was in stocks and I called it out. It really went really, it was really nice. I played this whole green candle and I'm considering going back in, but it's already forming this pattern, step pattern, and I'm hoping that it comes back to this zone where I can get into it. I don't think it's gonna come back to this one. Maybe I should move it to this one, this alert. But this stock was really good. Really liked it. And TTD, I was in stocks for TTD, and I'm out in that too. So we had this huge candle. Look at this, right? So my price target was 96 or 97, and I think we were riding the fifth Elliott wave, and it's in my opinion Either it will go to 100, ish, or it is done. Either of these two. But I'm out. I was in a trailing stop loss, and I hit my stop loss today. Uh, I will wait for it to retrace, then again probably get back into that space. Oh, it's trying to break the downtrend. Mm, yeah, it's trying to break the downtrend. We had earnings and we missed the earnings. It was yesterday. Okay. Yeah, it seems at the right price actually. Uh, 6 months, 34%. Mm, yeah, we might be at a strong support, so it might not be a bad idea to get some stocks for this. Already holding some stock, but definitely losing money on that one. That's why I didn't pay attention to Virgin Atlantic, because that this stock kind of hurt me in the past. But I think it's at a right zone to get into it. What the EM is saying? Oh, we're below the okay. Okay. Ichimoku signal has gone green recently, so it might not be a bad idea to get into this. And it's also forming some flag, it seems. Yeah, I like it actually, even for day trading. We are at the lower end of the flag, so we can enter here and then play the breakout of this flag and even get stocks for this one. Yeah, I like it, to be honest. Uh, and we are breaking out of this downtrend. It's possible that we might retest uh, this trend line and then go back up. So getting into calls at least a month out and probably in the money would be a great play. I wouldn't go uh, out of the money, and we have a gap here also, as well. I didn't notice that before. So from here till here, yeah, definitely a good play actually. Um, I'm gonna add it to the watch list that we can consider tomorrow. Uh, right here. Yeah, thanks, Bot. This seems like a nice play. We can get into the calls tomorrow. I just hope that tomorrow we open green. Today was really brutal. Yeah. Anything else you guys want to talk about? So tomorrow we are considering these plays. Uh, BGFV space, possibly Snap, not sure about that, but CHWY, Square. So if market kind of is bearish tomorrow, so definitely Square. And I might go heavy on Square tomorrow if it's bearish market. But if it's bullish, then Roblox, TSM for calls. Let me look at those ones. If we open green, then CHWY will be a good play, and then Apple we are already in. Snap might be a good play, and BGFV definitely either or bearish or bullish. BGFV is a good play, and space. TSM. Yeah, I think I did charted this in the past, and we are about to hit the resistance. That's why I didn't consider it. Um, it's forming a bull flag definitely, but I'm not sure about this one because there's a resistance on top. It's possible that it might break this resistance and go up, but it's risky. I'm not sure if I will consider that yet. Maybe once it breaks out of this downtrend, then possibly. I'm gonna add alert here just in case, and then we can play to this level actually 141. Roblox. Oh man, we did chart it and we talked about that when it was in this bar pattern and we ignored it. Oh man, this is crazy. And I don't understand this. Bad earnings and stock is skyrocketing, and PayPal has good earnings. Went to trash. Um, I don't know how to chart this one. Just going up. To be honest, I really don't know how to chart this one. Yeah, I understand your frustration now. Really capped up. Somebody get in here, he's already like 94 to $15 up. Yeah, I know. It just happened. That's fine. Yeah, but I don't know. I'm gonna stay away from this one to be honest. Yeah, I don't know how to chart this one. It's just pure speculation at this point. Something I can draw here. That doesn't make any sense. Very, very long term. Delete. 77. Oh man, you missed it. I was considering getting into Roblox. I might have played it for like day trade or something, and then after it, but I was only considering to play till this resistance. I didn't even knew that it's gonna like pop that much. And one more thing I think I'm gonna start doing is that look at the earnings for tomorrow and then see what all can we play. So Earnings Whisper is the website I think that I'm thinking of looking at. So let's start doing it from tomorrow, where we look at the earnings, upcoming earnings, and try play with the upcoming earnings so that we can play the hype and then maybe sell before earnings or something. So that's something that I'm considering doing it in future from tomorrow maybe. Okay, I think I'm gonna conclude the stream now. We have a good enough place for tomorrow in either market condition, bearish or bullish, and I am gonna put alarm on BGFV for 5:30 or something, and probably try to get some stocks before it opens. Pretty sure it's gonna squeeze, so consider that. And I'm I'm so mad that I didn't got stocks when it was $24. I would have already doubled the amount. But anyways, it's fine. Coulda, woulda, doesn't work. Thank you guys. Let's have good day tomorrow.